Buwanan pa oh. Oh. Itong malaking bato sa ilalim nito, mga shelter pala to ng mga military ng mga Swedish. Grabe no? Mayroon pa yata doon no?
You see
Tunnel?
The signs?
Ah.
It was soldiers. 1 or 2 soldiers and some machine nests and this cannon nest. They only had 1 cannon. It's for Panzer, cannon for Panzer.
Mayroon pa doon, oh.
So here you have bunkers and stuff.
Bunker?
Yeah, you have here.
We can go inside.
Here it says stubs.
Ito, bunker. Oh, bunker is close.
Yeah, this is, but I think you can.
Oh, yan sa officer daw niya yan na ano dito yung shelter.
Officers.
Officers.
Yeah.
Shelter. This one.
It's a garage for if you read here, it's almost a English cannon.
Cannon. Yan oh, mayroon siyang ano masinggan. Ito siya oh, tingnan niyo mga solido to ng mga bato oh. Yan oh, solid na bato. Sa ilalim niyan mga shelter nila kung may gira. Grabe oh.
So straight on here, the road is coming.
Yeah.
So I have a perfect spot here.
Perfect spot oh. Kita. Yun ano highway yan oh. Doon highway. Yan makita nila yan oh. Yan oh highway yan.
Now it's grown up a lot of trees probably.
Oh, highway yan. So dito nila ma-trap ang kalaban kaya si highway yan oh. Oh, may taguanan pa oh. So guys, tingnan niyo guys oh. Overlooking dito talaga pinaplastar nila yung canyon nila. Plastar ang ano kasi dito sa kabila. Yan oh. Dito nila malaman kung may parating kalaban kasi highway yan oh. Dito nila tinatrap pagka dito din kung may mga sasakyan.
Perfect overlooking.
Yeah.
And this nest overlooking and overlook that nest so no one can get up without getting shot.
Okay. So
machine gun.
Yan o. Sa machine gun daw to. Dito sila sa ilalim tapos yan pinipisto nila doon.
For machine gun it's down to the road and for overlooking so no one is going probably from behind.
Mayroon dito.
It looks like this. I think I can open up one.
Sige. Yan dito sila oh.
It's
tapos
a little
pisto.
secure area with ammo and stuff like that.
So, ayan oh. Hindi ko maintindihan kung ano ang ibig sabihin nito. Ito. Ano brown? Tubig.
Probably overgrown, overlooking each other.
Silipin natin guys. Yan oh. Uy, tunnel yun oh.
It's a little secure area, I think.
Going
For
there?
ammo, no, I think it's almost only rock here.
Yan pa oh. Mayroon pang isa doon oh.
And it's bulletproof.
So sirado siya guys. Nilak. Yan, mayroon no. I think that's entrance. But
Yeah, we are going back now. This is the area. I have a nest there too, so you have
So,
probably if we follow the trail further, it would be a few more nests
oh.
to the hillside.
So nakaikot dito, guys. Dito ang area ng mga ano, yung gira dati. Mga sundalo nila. Ito ang bunker. No.
This is ammo depot. An ammo depot.
Dito guys, oh.
It's a
Shelter.
That one is a shelter for ammo.
Shelter daw din to. Ito siya, oh. Connect na riyan kahit saan. Dito. Tingnan mo yan, oh. Oh.
One of the bunkers is open.
Mayroon pa dito, oh. Konkreto talaga siya. Dito ang maganda, guys. Kasi ano, mayroon pa siyang ano, exhaust. Sirado?
They have locked everyone. Too bad. Before you could go in and see the hatch for you have like a window that you can drag.
At that one, the big rock, maybe inside that is a big shelter inside that one. It can be, no? Yeah, look at that one, no?
It can be.
Oh, this.
Probably they have something here.
Oh, ito kay mabasa man niya ka Swedish man to.
It's a shelter.
It's shelter, no? To talaga, oh. Ito, entrada, oh. Guys, pasok tayong open. Okay.
So here I can make a fire. Here's some of them. Let's see. Here's every equipment they have.
Higaan guys nila sa mga military higaan.
But this is just for 16 men. There must have been more here. But maybe they were living in this too. 1632.
But this is concrete.
Yeah. But probably they had tents up here too.
So,
Different type
ayan,
of shelter.
ang entrada. So, sa ilalim pa nito, mayroon pa dyan. Ang pinasukan natin. Grabe, no? Tinigtigay nila yun ng pagbutas, grabe. Paano kaya, ano, kasi mano-mano yun eh. Oh.
That you could see.
Oh.
Then you had the wire all the way down to the lake here. And probably here you have some against Panzer's dragon teeth.
There. So, highway na yan sa baba. Yan o.
Easy down here. It can be slippery with this.